Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR electric gooseneck kettle. We got our instructions, and we've got our kettle. So this actually has a seal that goes around the top, so you don't have to worry about anything escaping. Nice, clean interior, and a fairly attractive spout, and we have our heating element on the bottom. And this is the base. So we got some indicator lights here for our settings. We got keep warm, program, start, cancel. And then on the bottom we've got our cord. It's actually kind of neat. I like that we can wrap that up, so if we want to travel with it, we can do that. So I added some water. So I'm going to set this for 203. Okay, now it says if we pull the kettle off, it will automatically shut off. See steam coming off of it. And that is a very nice pour to it. Okay, just let that sit for 2 minutes, give it a stir, and we'll be ready to go. So that is a very cool kettle.